Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you this purple shimmery eye makeup look with a purple eyeliner. Now, if it's your first time on my channel, my name is Anne, and if you've been here already, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this eye look, but before I go in with any eyeshadow, I always like to start with the eyeshadow primer first, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. What this is going to do is going to remove the redness from the eyelid and leave me with a nice clean canvas for my eyeshadow. And then I set it with a little bit of powder to lock everything in place. Now I'm going in with this palette, which is from What's Up Beauty. And I'm going to use this palette today because it has some really beautiful shimmers in it. So I definitely wanted to use it. I think this is actually the second time, if I'm not mistaken, that I use this palette. And the shimmers are just so freaking stunning. So I started with this color and kind of like pressed it in the outer portion of the eyelid. Then after kind of like packing that on, I'm gonna blend it more towards the crease and more towards a little bit the upper part. But first I packed it and then I blended it. So I'm really gonna take my time with this. First I use a little bit and then I just keep adding more and more to really build up the color payoff on my eyelids. So now for the next step, I'm going to go in with this purple color, which is such a nice color. And I'm going to start doing the same thing as I did with the previous color, just packing this on the outer portion of the eyelid. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to blend it more towards my crease area. Then now next I'm going to go in with this color right here, which is such a stunning purple shade. I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over the eyelid, and I feel like it kind of speaks for itself. You can see how beautifully pigmented this is. So I just love it. It is a little bit of a different purple compared to the purples in my crease, but I think that's actually what gives this eye look such a cool effect. Because the contrast is different, but it just goes really well together because it's still a purple, but more like a cool tone purple. And the one in my crease is more like a warmer purple. So now I'm going to use the color Powerful, same color as I just used for my crease. But now I'm going to use it for my eyeliner. So what you want to do is make your brush wet. You can use some water, some setting spray, and then you're gonna go in with that eyeshadow color, and this is gonna make the eyeshadow more darker because you're using a wet brush, and this way you can kind of turn the eyeshadow into an eyeliner. So I'm going for a wing liner today. If you are recreating this and you're not really a fan of wing liner, of course you can skip this step. You can do a simple line above the lash line only, or you can just skip the eyeliner in general if you're not really a fan of that. So now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to go underneath the wing liner just to clean everything up. You could still see some eyeshadow like right below it. So that's why I went in with some concealer to make everything look nice and clean. Now for underneath the lower lash line, I'm going back in with that color Powerful, and now also using this for underneath the lower lash line. I am using a Sigma Beauty E15 brush. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Sigma Beauty brushes. I do have a special discount code which will give you discount on the brushes, but also on other products on their website. I have it linked down in the description bar, so if you are searching for some good brushes, definitely check it out. So then I use this shimmery color and I'm going to use that to blend out the lower lash line even further. I thought let me just use this sparkly eyeshadow in this area as well. And I really like how it just makes my lower lash line look very soft with that subtle shimmer. Then I went in with this pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Nude Super Duo pencil, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm going to use the nude side for my waterline. Of course, if you're recreating this, you can also do like a darker pencil in the waterline or like a purple pencil. But I wanted to go for nude, and I think it goes really well with today's eye look. It just kind of makes my eyes a bit bigger. Then I curled my lashes because it's already time for mascara. And I'm going in with the Lancome Hypnose Mascara. And this is the Drama version. So I'm going to use this to apply my mascara. And I will go in with false lashes, but that's of course also optional. Totally depends on what you personally like. These are the Blessings lashes from House of Lashes. I love this lash style. I think it's just the right amount of glam on the eyes. So yeah, here you have the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel, and this way I know what kind of videos you guys like. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Even if you try